Hi guys, welcome back to Autos channel. So today I'm going to show you how to turn your text to video using some free AI tools. We have different AI tools that you can use to turn your text to video. You can go to your Google and browse them. But today I'm going to show you how to use it on with this free AI tool, which is called Hyper AI. So I'm going to go to my Chrome browser now. Then I'm going to search for Hyper AI. So you can just go to Hyper AI video generator. You can search your Google and you will be able to get a lot of free AI and you use to turn your text to video. But today I'm going to use Hyper AI and I'm going to take out we use the same process. So this is it now. You can see now this is a lot of templates. We have text to image, we have text to video. So just come here and click text to video. So once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to they say you should describe your video. Yeah, describe your video. You can just say, let me describe a video. A young girl swimming let's say sweeping a dusty yard. Now once you are done, just type anything you want. Once you are done, click on create. Just click on create. So just wait for it. You can see it has started creating. And this is it. So it's 19 seconds. It's very simple. You can see this is our video. Our video is going to create very soon now. So your video is being generated. This is it. So if you wanted to create a lot of video, you can just upgrade. But for a free, it is very free. You can see I have 258 free token that can create. So it is very easy and good. Just wait for it to download finish. Once it has download finish, you'll be able to do anything. I'm going to show you some of the video I've created. I'm going to show you some of it. Now this is it. It's one of the video I just created for you to see. You can see okay. So if you want to download, you come here, you download it. It is very easy. If you want to save, you can come to the three dots and you can share, you can delete, you can view, you can do everything on this your video generator. So I just give an example. So if you can see it's 50%, just wait for it to finish and you'll be able to do everything. I just downloaded this. This is one of the example I just do. So you'll be able to download, just give it the prompts you want and you'll be able to turn your text to video easily. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.